Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add customer billing and shipping address in Zoho Books. This is essential for keeping your customer records organized and ensuring accurate invoicing and delivery information for your business transactions. First, head over to the Zoho Books website by typing zoho.com/books into your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your business management tools are readily accessible. Now look to the left sidebar and click on the Sales tab. This section houses all your customer-related information and sales activities. From the Sales menu that appears, select Customers. This will bring up a list of all the customers you've added to your Zoho Books account. Next, browse through your customer list and click on the existing customer you want to edit. This could be any customer who needs updated billing or shipping address information. Clicking on their name will take you to their customer overview page where you can see all their details at a glance. On the Customer Overview page, locate the Edit button positioned at the top right part of your screen and click on it. This opens up the editing interface where you can modify various customer details, including contact information and addresses. Scroll down until you find the Address section on the Customer Details page and click on it. This is where you'll input all the necessary location information. Start by entering the billing address details, including street, city, state, postal code, and country. Make sure to fill in each field carefully as accurate addresses are crucial for proper invoicing. Here's a handy feature that can save you time. On the right side of the screen, check whether this customer has the same billing address as their shipping address. If they do, simply click on the down arrow with Copy Billing Address button. This automatically duplicates the billing address information into the shipping address fields, eliminating the need to type everything twice. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Double-checking now prevents issues with invoices and shipments later. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the page to save the customer information with their updated billing and shipping addresses. You've now successfully added or updated customer address information in Zoho Books, making your customer records complete and ready for seamless business operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.